How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create Meta Business Ad Manager. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply search for the Meta Business Ad Manager on Chrome, and then you want to head over to the official webpage from Meta Facebook, and then to proceed, let's click on the Get Started option. Now, from here, of course, you want to select your page or your account. So in my case, I'm going to be managing my ads from the RevMist profile right here. Now, of course, once again, you can edit out your profile the way you want to. Just click on this drop down menu and you will be able to select your profile or your account or pages. So from here, to create your own ads or manage them, just click on the ad manager at the side category, which is going to be this one. From here, you have the ability to check the overview of your account, some ad campaigns, and more. But basically, you can manage everything on this page. Now, since I don't have any ads as of the moment, it will then show up like this. If you want to create your own ads, just click on the create button. And basically from there, Meta will then ask you if your campaign is about awareness, traffic, engagement, and more. You can just go ahead and proceed with the creation and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.